Hello everyone. You're welcome to today's episode of Mathematics Tutorials brought to you by Masker Mathematics Tutorials. My name is Eric. Now, this is a geometry problem under the SAT Maths. So the question says, what is the value of x from this diagram? All right. So we are told that the marked angles are congruent. All right. So what is happening is that we are going to find the value of x adding up all the sides of this quadrilateral to 360 degrees. So we can see this whole shape is a quadrilateral, and inside the quadrilateral we have this smaller triangle. So what is going to happen is that we need to find whatever angle is here and find whatever angle is here. But before we do that, this smaller triangle is going to help us to know what is here, and then we will be able to know. So let's denote these portions or these angles by some letters. All right. So since we are told that is congruent, so let's put here A, and then let's put here B. So it follows that we shall put here also A, and then we put here also B, because we are told that they are congruent. So it follows that if we know the value of A, if we know the value of A, which is here we have A plus B. So if we know the value of A and B, then we will be able to solve this problem. So now let's try and say that from the triangle, so from the diagram, let's put here solution. So we put here solution. So from the smaller triangle, we can see that A plus B plus 110 degrees, this is equal to 180 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. All right. So it follows that we have A plus B to be equal to 180 degrees when we subtract 110 degrees from both sides, and then we are left with 70 degrees. So it follows that A plus B is equal to 70 degrees. So it means that we have A plus B to be equal to 70 degrees. All right, so what is going to happen is that we are going to find x by adding what is here to what is here to what is here and what is here and what is here and what is here. So the whole of this, that's the whole of this. You will agree with me that A is here and A is here, so this is 2A. B is here and B is here, so this is 2B. So it follows that we are going to have, so let's draw a line to separate this. So it follows that 120 degrees, we can see. So this plus this plus the whole of this plus the whole of this is equal to 360 degrees. That is all the angles of the quadrilateral sums up to 360 degrees. So let's put here 120 degrees. So 120 degrees plus 2 times the value of A plus B plus x is equal to 360. So now if the space will not allow us, let's wipe it and then rewrite it properly. So this space is big enough to contain this. So now let's say that, so A plus A is here, so that is 2A. B plus B over there, that is 2B. So that is this is A plus A, this is A, B plus B. So it means this is 2B and then this is 2A. So it follows that we can write and say that 120 degrees, so 120 degrees plus 2 times A B, that is 2A plus 2B. So A plus B plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So this is what we have. All right. So what you're going to do is that we have 120 degrees plus 2 multiplying a plus b is equal to 70 degrees. So let's put 70 degrees over here because that is a plus b. So this then plus our x is equal to 360 degrees. So we now have 120 degrees plus 70 times 2 will give us 140 degrees plus x. This is equal to 360 degrees. All right, so if that is what we have, we can add 120 degrees to 140 degrees. So 120 degrees plus 140 degrees, that gives us 260 degrees. So we have 260 degrees. So 260 degrees plus x is equal to 360 degrees. And so our x is equal to 360 degrees minus 260 degrees. And so our x is equal to 100 degrees. And that is the answer to this problem. So x is equal to 100 degrees. Now let's come here and find out. If we are saying that a plus b is 70 degrees, then if we have 120 degrees plus 100 degrees, that gives us 220 degrees. And then plus a plus b will give us 70 degrees. So that is a plus a. So 2 times the value of a plus 2 times the value of b, because we are saying that b plus b, and then here we have a plus a. So a plus a is the same as 2a. So 2a plus 2b will now be equal to 2 times 140, because our a plus b from here is equal to 70 degrees. On that note, thank you very much for watching. See you next time, or see you in other videos. Bye bye.